Let's go. Lorito. Yeah. Ey, ey, ey. Oye, baby, no te pone muy cerca. Baby, yo sé que te falta ser mi amor. Yeah, yeah. Pero baby, no te pone así. Te llamé, pero no había señal casual, mi amor. Y te hace falta amor. Y lo estás perdiendo. Oye, mami, baby, no hay más. Desamor, desamor. Baby, no hay más. Desamor, desamor. Eso no vale nada, nada, nada. Yeah, y yo no vuelvo más, yeah, sin embargo, eso fue una locura. La negrita que me rompió el corazón.
Okay, we have arrived at Estrella Mar, the villa. So I guess we get some towels.
Hola, señor. Hola.
Oh, gracias, senor. Nice and cold. So this is the entrance. The entire villa is all down in here.
Is this real?
Oh, it's real. Yeah.
It is.
Yeah, don't step on it.
They'll bite you. Watch out.
I didn't know it's real. I thought it's tattoo. Seriously, I'm glad you told me.
Yeah,
It's like
don't
that.
pet it.
Don't pet it. They're not pets.
Wow, it's like giggles. No wonder.
Wow.
So here's where the elevator comes out.
Oh my God, margaritas.
How are you? Margaritas, this is the Virgin one, and Pacifico.
Okay, this is yours.
Okay, this is yours.
Confusing. Don't give
Yeah.
to anyone.
Okay. Pacifico? Sí. Okay. Margaritas?
See?
Margarita, señor?
Margarita.
In? Okay, Margarita.
Fine.
Welcome. Bienvenido.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Wahoo!
Oh my God.
Oh, that's good. Why wouldn't you have a fountain outside?
So the people we built the house from, bought the house from, the woman traveled all through Mexico and Central America, and she found things like the doors, and they built the house around the doors.
Churches,
And
old houses.
so you'll see a lot of rock.
Oh my my. Oh, the kitchen.
Oh, wow. Yes, from here. Look at this. And it's nice kitchen.
So this is more.
So Paco will be around, or Oscar, to take, they'll make the drinks. If you want some water or beer, if you're around, here's the first of the refrigerators.
Very organized.
Smaller kitchen.
Yeah, this is the kind of the cooks, another refrigerator and freezer.
Oh my God, look, all the
Just dishes.
this dish.
Out here in the bar area, there's a refrigerator that has water and beer and sodas and things.
Okay.
Things you might want,
Pacifico. Corona.
Well,
just in case.
Look at this horse.
this is what I was talking about. Like my gosh. This.
I didn't notice it at first.
I was like, look at this kitchen.
And each of the rooms has one of these, so it tells you what the
Okay.
Wi-Fi password is. So if you need a book, there are books that you can.
Oh, nice.
And this is the office / gym. We used to have a separate area for a gym, but we turned it into another building because people don't really use offices anymore. We have a lot of religious art.
Now this is the master suite? These folding doors that open up to the ocean were closed every evening so the air conditioner would be turned on to keep the room cool. In the morning they would be opened. Oh my. My. So we get to see the master suite bathroom. So, oh, look at that tub.
And all of the rooms have this as the laundry. So anything washable, just go in and it'll show back up.
It'll just come back.
They'll just come
I don't know that they heard.
Okay, because I have some dirty stuff I gotta know.
That's the magic laundry basket, so every room has one of those. Just put your washables, don't put something that can't be, you don't put a dry clean
Okay.
thing in there.
Okay.
We don't know wash it, we'll come back that afternoon too.
Wow. And you got your own deck here, huh?
Where you do the massages?
Okay. The massage deck.
Winter, this is all.
And you got open windows from the shower. With a chandelier.
And everyone?
Doesn't have a bathtub, it has. a
So who is
sexy
this?
shower, 'cause it's got 2 showers.
I remember seeing this one online. Hola. Oh, what a bathroom. Oh my God. Look at this. And this is a great shower. Holy cow.
You can take a shower. This evening.
Oh, what a shower. At this point in the tour, our heads are swimming, swirling around, and you're lost because it's so large and you're trying to figure out exactly where you are. I can't even talk. And we'd only seen half of the mansion at this point.
Oh, that would be a good joke.
So, what is this?
This is the twin room.
The twin room.
Grandma room.
We also call it the grandma room, because if you put the grandmas in the big suites, they can't find the bathroom. In the middle of the night when they have to go to the bathroom, they can't find the bathroom.
Okay, yeah, that's where you
But they're
pump.
echelon twins, which is not a thing down here, but we have them made. And it has its own balcony and its own shower. I mean, it's a smaller suite, but it works really well when you have kids
Tins, yeah.
or when you have, you know, a girls' weekend and you've got lots of women.
Go over here.
Yep.
All right.
And here's like a weird painting, but okay.
Okay, folks, this is our bedroom. Okay, honey.
This is like this.
Tell me what you see, honey.
Oh my God. There's your bathroom.
Oh, gosh. Oh, gosh.
The bedroom. Like this, like Spanish style.
Yep.
Oh, you guys.
See why I didn't put it to a single guy? I mean, come on.
It's a waste.
You know, sometimes when we renting the house, people's like so nice. Like,
This is our bedroom. Oh, my God. Oh, my God.
This is an antique that is a priest hidey hole. So, like, the priests were being persecuted, so they would go inside and they could lock themselves in for safety. It's a priest hidey hole for the priests.
And it's got the lock on the
It's got the lock on
inside.
the inside, so they could lock themselves in.
Like from the 1600s.
I hate it when you forget a bedroom. Oh, I love the colors.
So this is the one with 2 bedrooms.
Oh, this is cool. With the glass.
There's another choice.
So unless you're, like into that. Yeah, so it's just a
So any, whichever room you want. Okay, and then they can fight over here. This will be where 7 is.
I mean, it's plenty.
There's one down there, 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, the princess. But, you have the lovely outdoor-ish shower. And then over on this side,
Oh, there's a shower. Got it.
Would be good for a couple that doesn't like each other very much.
yeah, that's what we always say. We do this, and they're a couple, we know the status of your marriage. And this, not the ones that are painted, but the other ones are actually antiques that came from a particular house.
What house?
A house of ill repute. So, in other words, if a
Cindy.
gentleman came, he would pick Pam and they would go away.
With the doll.
With the doll. So now, when you come, you can't have Pam. You'll have to have Becky.
Wow, that's funny.
Those were the names of our maids, and I'm like, well, that's a little bit weird. So now all of these are the names of the women that work in my brother-in-law and sister's company. So you met Becky last night. Yeah.
Looks like Becky.
So here that was poolside, right? Aptly named because here we are at the pool. Look at this. There we go.
Look at the pool.
So this is where we usually have lunch.
Okay.
Down here. Because that's the big decision. Where will we eat lunch? That's these are very pressing decisions that we make.
Oh, upstairs versus downstairs.
Yeah,
You know, Wes, you may have to step up and make a couple executive decisions.
Okay.
You're up for it.
I'm up for it, yeah.
He was the one that figured out that we could put this lovely Estrella Mar logo here on the. And each of these is handmade, right? Like in the United States, we do a strip. His first name was Don, but he goes by Don Elias, which is Mr. Elias.
The beach.
Was it really good?
Oh my God. Okay. Our room. After getting the tour through the villa, we came back to our junior suite just to sit down and rest and take it all in. I remember the feeling of just being overwhelmed and amazed at a place so beautiful like this. Oh my gosh, I'm just blown away. I'm truly speechless. A place like this is... it takes your breath away. Now it's time to just relax a little bit and enjoy. So that was the tour. Now we've got about 4 or 5 people coming in tonight, and that'll be the whole crew. I think the weekend has begun. We're going over the famous suspension bridge. In our next video, we explore downtown Puerto Vallarta. We spend more time at the villa, and you will meet some of the most interesting guys you've ever met that stayed with us for the remainder of our stay at this beautiful mansion, Estrella Mar in Puerto Vallarta. If you like our channel, please subscribe, and we will see you next time on the road.